Hello! In this video I want to show you how to bake a PBR material along with reflections and lighting into a texture for an Unlit shader. Unlit shader is the simplest and fastest. It accepts only one texture, which can be well packaged, for example, in JPEG format. The size of an Unlit shader source code is only one line, while a PBR pixel shader source code can have hundreds of lines. Unlit shaders are often used in applications for mobile phones and the web, as they work quickly even on weakest devices and take up little disk space and are quickly transferred over the internet. If we set the albedo map to an unlit shader, the result will not look as intended. Especially metals do not look like metals at all, due to their lack of reflections. So that the result will look like what we intended, we bake the lighting and reflections onto albedo map. To do this, you can use the light baking tool and select light and reflections in the map type option. Now the model with the unlit shader looks as similar as possible to the original. You can easily replace the panorama and light, and bake the texture for the unlit shader again in different variations.